Hello class 12. Okay, today we'll continue with prepositions. So yesterday we had done what is a preposition. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने definition किया था preposition का. We had done that preposition is a word जिसका इस्तेमाल हम लोग nouns, pronouns, phrases ये सब लिंक करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं विद इन अ सेंटेंस. एक ही सेंटेंस में जब ये सारी चीज़ों को लिंक अप करना रहता है तो वी यूज़ preposition. ठीक है, in order to connect them. These act to connect the people, objects, time and locations of a sentence also. एक ही sentence में जहाँ people, objects, time, location की बात होती है, they connect them also, prepositions. ठीक है, in brief, prepositions are those words actually जो like sentence को complete करता है. Like without preposition, sentence will be like it would sound incomplete या फिर grammatically error रहेगा उसमें. ठीक है, we had done an example yesterday. And we had done some of the types of preposition. Simple preposition किया था हम लोगों ने. ठीक है, what is a simple preposition? It is a preposition that consists of one single word. ठीक है, words like at, for, in, ये सब single preposition है, simple. Then we had done double preposition. Double prepositions जिसमें दो simple preposition होता है, जैसे words like out of, take away, take off. Alright. Next we had done compound preposition. किसको बोलते हैं? ठीक है, those prepositions which are formed by prefixing the preposition to a noun or adjective. ठीक है, or an adverb. Words like before, below, etc. ये सब जो है ये सब compound preposition है. Okay. Today we'll continue with the types of preposition. Next type है participle prepositions. Participle prepositions को हम लोग these are those words like participle prepositions. वो सारा words है. That is a verb ending with ing. ठीक है, या फिर en या ed वाला वर्ड जिससे end होता है, like which also acts as a preposition sometimes. जैसे most common examples है participle preposition का, words like given, considering, regarding, provided, etc. ठीक है, considering जहाँ पे ing से end हुआ, regarding ing से end हुआ, given en से end हुआ, provided ed से end हुआ. ठीक है, ये कई कई जगह पर पार्टिसिपल preposition के तौर पे भी यूज होता है. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज डिसगाइज्ड prepositions. डिसगाइज्ड prepositions किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग? दोज prepositions that are not used in the sentence but are implied. मीनिंग व्हाट? इसका डायरेक्ट यूसेज हम लोग को नहीं समझ में आता है, लेकिन फिर भी implied रहता है, ये सेंटेंस में रहता है कहीं ना कहीं. ठीक है, डिसगाइज्ड फॉर्म. यूनिक एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है डिसगाइज्ड preposition का? द लेटर्स A and O. ठीक है, here A stands for the shortened form of the preposition on and O stands for the shortened form of the preposition itself. Okay, यहाँ पे we are not understanding the word A on में. ठीक है, लेकिन it is implied here. Pronunciation जो है it is implied here. Okay, alright. Next is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase क्या है? This is a group of word that lacks either a verb or a subject and that functions as a unified part of speech. You all know what a phrase is. Phrase जो है वो like it's not a complete sentence. ठीक है, like it lacks verb or a subject in it. इसीलिए हम लोग उसको sentence नहीं बोल सकते हैं. But it is a part of a sentence. ठीक है. Now sometimes what happens is जो phrase रहता है, phrase भी preposition का काम करता है sentence में कई बार. ठीक है. It normally consists of a preposition and a noun or a preposition and a pronoun. ठीक है. And when they're used as adjectives, they modify nouns and pronouns in the same way single word adjectives do. Meaning what? जब adjectives के तौर पे use होता है prepositional phrase, तो क्या करता है ये? They modify nouns and pronouns. ठीक है, nouns और pronouns को उसी तरीके से modify करता है जिस तरीके से single word adjectives करता है. Okay, alright. We had completed the types of prepositions. We'll be starting with the kinds in the next video. Whatever I've explained in this video, please go through it, revise it, and that's it for today. Thank you.